Hello, challengers. It's Dr. Erin, the success psychologist, coming back for video number 2. Thank you for all of your gorgeous answers for the first video. I have loved looking at all of the words that describe you being your best self, being your highest self. So there is a concept I want to drive home today, and this one has lots and lots and lots of scientific research to back it up. Let me give you the concept first, and then we're going to talk about how to implement this in your life. Because knowledge without action is just information. And transformation happens when you take knowledge and then add some action. So this is the concept. You're going to want to behave your way into different thinking rather than try to think your way into different behaving. I'm going to say it again because it's a little maybe not what you've heard. Maybe it's a little opposite of what you've heard, but there's a lot of meat to it. So I'll say it again. You're going to want to behave your way into different thinking rather than trying to think your way into different behaving. So you've got these 3 words that describe your ideal self, right? And now we're going to consult with that ideal self, and we're going to say, you know, if I were being you now, if I were being an embodiment of what you value, what would I be doing? So this is where we're going to take aligned actions that are aligned with our higher self. So did you know that really the definition of confidence in adulthood is your ability to confidence to confide in yourself? What does that mean? It's your ability to keep the promises that you make to yourself. That comes with taking aligned actions. So think about your 3 words. What behaviors would you be engaging in that would be in alignment, that would be in integrity with those stated values or character traits that you value being? So there is a word that's gotten a lot of, it's just so popular right now. And the word is embodiment. So we know we need to be the embodiment of what we are saying we care about. We need to embody our work. We need to, be the embodiment of our values and our goals and our desires. So let's look at the word embody. It actually means, it's got the word body in there. It means to take a thought and make your body move. To take a thought and then make your body move. And so we know we cannot reach our health goals by just sitting around and thinking about them. We know that's super important. We want to start with, what do I desire? So get real crystal clear on your desires in terms of your health, your weight, your relationship with yourself, your relationship with your body, your relationship with food. What do you desire? My hunch is after you reach said goal, your desire is actually you want to feel the way that that woman or man is going to feel. So let's look at the concept of embodiment, because I'm going to want you to share with us what actions you're going to take to embody your ideal self, to take a thought and make your body move. So let me give you an example. If I wanted to become a great tennis player, what would you have me do? It's like I can read your mind between the screen here. I'm sure many of you are saying, I would have you practice tennis, and probably if you wanted to be really good, practice with someone that knew what they were doing and played tennis, right? The same is true for concepts like confidence. How do I become confident? I don't just sit on the couch and say, okay, I am confident. Okay, I'm confident. I'm confident. I love everything about myself. I am confident. It just doesn't work, right? It kind of comes up short. In order to be confident, you behave in a confident way, which if the definition is to keep the promises you make to yourself, you behave in ways where you are keeping the promises you're making to yourself. It kind of sounds like Captain Obvious has overtaken this video, right? But it's not so obvious when we're in it, right? How do you become patient? Maybe you need patience in your health journey, that you know that you didn't get here overnight. You're not going to get there overnight. And so you could say things to yourself like, look at me being patient by not expecting results in 2 days and then quitting because I don't have them. Look at me being confident by doing what I said I was going to do. Look at me being fit by doing what a fit person does. And so you're going to behave your way into different thinking, especially about yourself, instead of trying to think your way into different behaving. So please, please share with us what behaviors you're going to be taking, what aligned actions you're going to be taking that are in total alignment with your ideal self. We want to hear them. We cannot wait to hear them. And I will see you next time on my last video. Bye, everyone.